Got a sore throat that's making it hard to swallow or speak? Don't worry, we've got a natural remedy that can provide relief overnight. And the best part? You only need 2 ingredients from your kitchen. But before you reach for those over-the-counter pills, why not try a natural approach? Today, we are going to show you how to ease that throat pain using 2 powerful ingredients, ginger and honey. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome to Root Remedy Hub, where we believe healing begins at the root. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for weekly natural health solutions you can easily make at home. Sore throats can be a real pain, right? They are often caused by pesky viral infections, irritating dust, or that chilly winter weather. You don't want it scalding hot, just comfortably warm. Now, stir in those 2 tablespoons of raw honey until it's fully dissolved. The thinner the slices, the more flavor and healing properties you'll extract. It's not safe for babies that young. Also, if you know you're allergic to either honey or ginger, this remedy isn't for you. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. 1 medium-sized fresh ginger root, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and 1 cup of hot water. Try it out tonight and share your results in the comments section below. With just ginger, honey, and a little bit of time, you can be on your way to relief. Stay healthy, stay natural, and we'll see you in the next video. This is Root Remedy Hub, signing off. Did it soothe your sore throat? How quickly did you feel relief? Your experiences can help others in our community, so don't be shy. Here's what you'll need for this simple yet effective remedy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might be struggling with a sore throat. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got new videos coming out every week, packed with natural health tips and remedies you can easily make at home. Take your time and let it coat your throat. For best results, drink 1 cup in the morning and another before bed. Whether it's soothing a sore throat, boosting your immune system, or finding natural ways to reduce stress, we've got you covered. Remember, healing begins at the root, and sometimes the most powerful remedies are the simplest ones. Now, let's break down the process into 4 easy steps. Once it's bubbling, add those ginger slices you just prepared. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows the ginger to release its potent compounds into the water. Step 1. Start by peeling that ginger root and slicing it into thin pieces. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to reducing inflammation and fighting off infections. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for good reason. Honey, on the other hand, is nature's throat soother. It forms a protective layer on your irritated throat and has natural antibacterial properties. When you combine these 2 ingredients, you've got a fast-acting, all-natural remedy that can provide relief overnight. Step 2. Boil 1 cup of water in a small pot or kettle. Step 3. After 10 minutes, remove the pot from heat and let it cool slightly. Step 4. Here's the most important part. Sip this concoction slowly while it's still warm. But why does this work so well? Let's break it down. Now, a couple of important safety notes. If you have a little one at home who's under 1 year old, please don't give them honey. We'd love to hear how this remedy works for you. Remember, natural remedies like this one are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to holistic health. At Root Remedy Hub, we're passionate about empowering you to take control of your health naturally. So, the next time you feel that telltale scratch in your throat, skip the pharmacy and head to your kitchen instead.